How to fix unable to upload file in ChatGPT. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can fix if you're experiencing unable to upload file issue in ChatGPT. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, ensure that you're using the supported browser such as Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox or Safari, and ensure that your browser is up to date to the latest version. If that's not your case, the second fix is to disable your browser extension. Some of the extension can interfere the process, so try to disable them temporarily. In order to disable your extension, click on this extension icon at the top right corner, and here click on Manage Extension, and here disable or remove the extension from your browser. And check whether your problem can be now solved or not. If that still does not help you, then clear cache and cookies off your browser. So once you're on your browser, click on the three dot icon at the top right corner, and here click on Settings. On the settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, and here is an option for delete browsing data. Here select only cached images and files, and you can uncheck the other option. Once you're done, click on delete data. Once you have deleted your cached images and files, also you can delete your cookies too. So select your cookies and then delete your data. Once you have done that, go back and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If still not, now check your file size and type. ChatGPT supports common file types such as PDF, docs, CSV, and other images, extensions such as PNG, etc. So check your file size or type, and the file size should be under 20 MB as of the current limit. So make sure that you have the correct file size and the file type. If that still does not help you, then you can try to update or switch the device. Try to upload from a different device and make sure that your device is not blocking any file access due to the operating system permissions. And if that still does not help you, or if you're using your browser, try the ChatGPT Desktop application, which may be more stable for the uploads. And that's how you can fix the file upload unable on ChatGPT. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.